Hello and welcome to Smart Teaching. In our today's class, we are going to discuss past continuous tense. In what different situations we can use the sentences of past continuous tense. How can we make a sentence of past continuous tense? How to make positive sentence, how to make negative sentence, and how to make interrogative sentence. We are going to discuss all these things in our today's class. When should we use the sentences of past continuous tense? This is the very first question. Past continuous tense is used to show an action that was in progress at some given time in the past. For example, they were playing cricket at 11 o'clock. He was studying yesterday. These actions were going on, or these actions were in progress somewhere in the past. Which auxiliary verb and which form of main verb should we use in positive sentences? How to make positive sentence? We have two different types of auxiliary verbs which are used in past continuous tense. One of them is was, other one is were. If the subject is he or she, it, name of one person, or the subject is I, then we are supposed to use helping verb was, followed by first form of verb plus ing. If you take a verb just like go, went, gone, then we'll use the first form of the verb go, and the sentence will become he was going. Go plus ing will become going. He was going. She was going. It was going, Alan was going, I was going. But with the subjects just like we, you, they, names of more than one person or things, always use the other helping verb, which is were. We were going. You were going. They were going. Alan and Mary were going. How to make negative sentence? It is very simple to make negative sentence. Just put not after the helping verb was or were. Then the sentence will become he was not going. She was not going. It wasn't going. Alan wasn't going. I wasn't going. We were not going. You were not going. They weren't going. Alan and Mary were not going. So in this way, simply by putting not after the helping verb was and were, we can make negative sentence. How to make interrogative sentence? It is again very simple. Just bring was or were at the beginning of the sentence, and the sentence will become was he going? Was she going? Was it going? Was Alan going? Was I going? Were we going? Were you going? Were they going? Were Alan and Mary going? In this way, we can make interrogative sentences. Let us see a few examples. What was happening 1 hour ago? Just keep in your mind that this picture was made 1 hour ago. It was raining 1 hour ago. Just you can see in the picture. It was not blowing. Snow was not falling. You can see in the picture that snow is not falling and it is not blowing. And keep in your mind that the picture was made 1 hour ago. So you can say that it was raining 1 hour ago, it was not blowing, snow was not falling. What was she doing in her room? Note, the picture was made 5 days ago. She was completing her homework. She was writing an essay. What was this boy doing? Note, the picture was made day before yesterday. Tom was swimming with his dog. He was not swimming with his father. What was happening in Edward's office? This picture was made yesterday. Edward was fighting with his wife in his office. He was fighting because she came there to ask him for shopping. That's why he was fighting. What were the students doing in the classroom? The picture was made 2 hours ago. The students were sitting in the classroom. They were listening to the lecture. They were not writing on their notebooks. So you have seen that sentences of past continuous tense are used to show an action that was going on, that was in progress somewhere in the past. I hope that you enjoyed watching this lecture. Goodbye.